Michelle, I wanted to show you your NeXT mono station here. I really appreciate your business. And for everybody else, this was an example of an eBay system. So I've got a factory 426 meg drive in there for her. 8 megs of RAM, which is factory stock. I put in a new old stock floppy drive. Set it up to verbose mode boot. And so it's going through the process of booting here. And the drive's really not too loud, which is good. I mean, some of these scuzzy hard drives can be pretty loud. And so here's the system itself. And so I've got the new old stock floppy drive back here. This is the 426 meg drive, and we got a power supply, 8 megs of RAM. And here we go. So we get a login screen. And I've just got the user version set up for you. And then to log in, you're just going to type in root. With no password. That'll let you in. And I've got a bunch of the docs. If you're interested in blackholeinc.com/docs for NeXT stations and how to use them and all the newbie stuff. And so in order for this to work, okay, on a flat panel, you need my custom cable. You're going to need a keyboard and mouse and a sound box or a sound card. And there you go. Appreciate your business and patience, and have a good day.